Hey there YouTubers, we are going to unbox an Apple AirPod second generation. I already did check the serial number with apple.com and this AirPod is authentic. I'm going to get our trusty Letterman knife, and with any sharp object need to be careful not to cut ourselves or damage what we are unboxing. Inside the box, we have a standard literature. It has safety in handling, warranty summary, and a quick start guide. Read it at your leisure. And we have the AirPod. It has the case and the AirPods inside. There's the port to charge it. See the glowing light, white light? It means that the AirPod is ready for pairing. We're not going to do that right now. We're going to pair it on the next video, so watch for it. Underneath here you will have the USB to lightning cable. This second generation AirPod has a dual beamforming microphones, dual optical sensors, motion detecting accelerometer, speech detecting accelerometer. It has an H1 headphone microchip. And for controls, you double tap to play, skip forward, or answer a phone call. Relatively small in size. You got about a 1/4 inch at the bottom, about 1/2 inch on top, and overall length be a little bit over 1.5 inches. You can buy a wireless charging case, but what I have here is a case that you use a USB-A to lightning cable. You can use this AirPod for 5 hours of listening with a single charge, up to 3 hours talk time with a single charge. In the box, you have AirPods charging case, lightning to USB cable, and the literature. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity, and you can pair it with your iPad, iPhone, and other devices. Thank you for watching.